In a landmark move today, the Supreme Court has said that it was open to live streaming its court proceedings under a comprehensive and holistic guideline. The senior lawyer Indira Jaisingh, as well as others, filed a petition to allow people to watch what happens inside the court in a bid to bring transparency and accountability. The centre has also backed the Supreme Court and said that it would help the apex court take up a separate channel like the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha TV. The Supreme Court bench, headed by Chief Justice Deepak Mishra, has asked the Attorney General K.K. Venugopal to submit a proposed guideline for the same by the 23rd of this month. Let's bring on board my colleague Abhimanyu Sharma, who joins in with more details. Abhimanyu, after the first two organs of the state, the third organ of the state, the judiciary, also seems to be going on the path of live proceedings. How feasible does this seem?
Well, it certainly seems that on the lines of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, the apex court might start live telecast of its proceedings very soon. The petition, which was moved by senior advocate Indira Jaisingh, had sought live telecast of court proceedings not only of the apex court but of different courts across the country in order to increase legal awareness about different issues and the cases being heard in different courts. The Attorney General seemed impressed with the idea at the outset. However, he had submitted certain reservations as far as telecast of cases pertaining to national security and matrimonial disputes is concerned. What remains to be seen is that the guidelines which would be made subsequently after the next date of hearing, they would be based on the suggestions given by the Attorney General, the petitioner and several other people related to this case. And the next date of hearing, which is on the 23rd of July, when the apex court will consider different suggestions given by several stakeholders and will take a call whether or not this move will really come into effect or not.
I'm not in favor of this at all. This is give a help to some advocates to go on arguing and making sweeping statements because they know it's being televised. Court proceedings, to my mind, should not be televised. Unless some exceptional case of public importance, it's a different matter. So you should live proceedings, so advocates will be encouraged. And there are many advocates who like to speak and make sweeping statements. And they'll get encouraged by this because they know it has been watched by television. I'm not in favor of it.